Welcome back. As we mentioned at the start of the show, it is the day of sector leaders reporting results, L&T being one of them, and Vivek is here to tell us what the street is expecting from L&T. Vivek.
Well, that's right. Capital goods, infra major L&T will report its Q4 results today. What is it that the street knows? What is it that the street is baking in? Number one, the street is expecting the company to go ahead and comfortably outpace the order inflow guidance that it had given at the start of the year. Along with that, also expectations are that the company should be able to go ahead and beat the top-line growth guidance that it had given. What is it that the street is a little iffy about? The core margin guidance that the company had given at 8.25 for the full year. Will that be reached or will that be achieved? Because the implied ask rate for Q4 remains quite high. Let's have a look at the numbers themselves. What is it that the markets are looking for? Revenues seen higher by 16% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA seen higher by almost 16%. Margins, this is the consolidated margins that we're talking about, seen flattish, 10.7 versus 10.7. And profitability seen higher by close to 14% on a year-on-year basis. Again, for the company to go ahead and comfortably outpace the order inflow, remember, at the end of Q3, we had reported that the company had received an order or was selected as the lowest bidder for an order in the vicinity of almost $4 to $4.5 billion, and this is from Qatar Energy LNG. And if this particular order company recognizes it in Q4 itself, then definitely the company will outpace what the street is anticipating and also the order inflow guidance that they had given at the start of the year. Now, what is it that Goldman Sachs is saying? Goldman Sachs is saying company will beat the guidance both on revenue and order inflow. They are expecting a 30 basis points year-on-year improvement in the core margins in Q4. And number one, what is it that the street will keep an eye out for? Order inflow guidance for FY26. Remember, high base of FY24, company beating that in FY25. Can the company go ahead and go above that as far as FY26 is concerned? And all eyes on margin trajectory. We are talking about the core margins, whether the company can go ahead and meaningfully and materially improve that in FY26.
Got that. Thank you very much for that.